Which camera? That one. Selfie camera. Good afternoon, YouTubies. It is January 31st or the 1st? January the 1st, 2018. I'm currently recording this on my Samsung Galaxy S7, sorry. It's a new phone to me. It's not a new phone to the market, but it's still very desirable and very competent, even in today's 2018 market. Still for sale with many contracts and shops, etc. I bought it specifically, got it on contract specifically because of the fantastic reviews and the 4K video, etc, etc, which is absolutely stunning. It's stunning so much that I was going to buy the Sony A6300 or the 6500. I was still deciding which one I needed to shoot 4K videos to do some projects. And then I told myself I'm going to use, or at least try to use, the Samsung Galaxy S7 to its best use, basically. I've seen some amazing videos on YouTube showing what people have achieved using film grades, etc, like that. So what I decided to do instead was buy something else that would complement, and I'd be able to use my my Samsung Galaxy S7. And it is the title of the video, which is the Zhiyun Smooth Q 3-axis gimbal. Amazon Prime, ordered this yesterday. It was £105. I got the extra little, extra little bracket to hold sound recording device, a microphone, etc. There were cheaper options, but it was going to take a week to 10 days for it to arrive. Amazon Prime, it's another thing altogether. Offered me when I was on Amazon, would you like to take advantage of another trial? I tried one before Christmas, but I had 3 parcels which didn't arrive next day. One of them actually ended up half a mile over there in my village. It was just fortunate that it ended up getting back to me. Somebody recognised my name on the parcel as a local photographer, videographer, and they tracked me down on Facebook. So I got that sorted. Contacted Amazon and they said we'll give you another month. And in the other month, this was in December, still 2 packages didn't arrive the next day. So very disappointed. I cancelled. Here we are in January 2018. They asked me if I want to try it again. What the hell, I'll get it tomorrow. And here it is. So I've never done an unboxing before. It's like Christmas. I'm excited. I want to use this. I want to plug my phone in and start creating great content. I've also ordered the DJI Mavic Air Fly Mode combo pack, but seems like the country's mostly out of stock. I've ordered it through Jessup's for $9.50 and I'm awaiting notification for that. So without further ado, let's open the bad boy. I got my dedicated blade just for cutting stuff open. Carry this with me all the time. Paper. Oh man, save the trees. Oh wow, I actually got my little GorillaPod tripod packaged in with a little mobile phone holder. Well, I wasn't expecting that today. So bonus Amazon. Great. I shall put that there. Cardboard box. And the reveal. There it is. Let me just check the packaging myself. It is 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Again, I think these were released now around about 2016. There are several revisions. I'm way behind the time, 2018, trying to get on reviews, but every little helps, I suppose. There's a good weight to the box. No damage. Let's put the sleeve somewhere. And you're going to see it at the same time as I'm going to see it. Ooh, plastic. There's the little extra holder that fastens onto the bottom. That's to plug in your microphone, etc. Little strap. Ooh, I didn't even know that was in the packaging. Little tripod, obviously screws onto the bottom. Small, looks like a decent quality small little USB lead. User guide version 1.2. Nothing else in the box. Unsheath the beast. And there you go. Oh, that's a really very nice box. Straight out the bag. It looks quite well made. Nice and firm on the outside. It's not rigid, but it's not going to collapse under its own weight. Really nice toggles. Rubberized with the logo. Seem quite good. Catching the light there. I don't know what it looks like. Oh yes, I do. It looks like the ship from Battlestar Galactica. The what are they called? Doesn't matter. I'm sure you can work that out. Some kind of fancy dildo. I don't know if this is an 18 channel. Silica gel. Used to think they were poisonous, apparently they're not. And there it is. Nicely shaped inside the padded box. Nice and secure. Just put that on one side as well. So there we go. Straight away it feels solid. Excellent. It's a nice kind of flat matte black finish. It just feels smooth. It's got a good weight to it. The little joystick on the front is a little bit soft. I might put something on there to help my fingers stick. But first things, I just want to show you that. And I'm going to get to try and setting it up. If you like me waffling on, talking shite, and not having my hair cut and my office a mess, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will come back with a review of this once I've maybe got it set up, or maybe the next one will just be a nice little video that I've put together of it in action. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. See you later.